station. There's a gas station over. No, what the hell? That's not gonna stop it. There's a gas station over there with the. It's better. If you make it all the way over there, there's a gas station. Over there. Watch a big one come smash your windshield. Wow.
This is crazy.
Who else can put the camera right through a raindrop?
Wow. My car is going to be damaged to shit.
You have insurance, right? Whoa, look at those trees. They look like they're about to fall over.
Oh
Your car is shaking.